Picture this, it's 2 a.m., your bank account is hovering near zero, the rent bill is screaming at you from the table, you're out of coffee for finals prep, and when you open the fridge, all you see is half a pack of noodles, a sad old carrot, and not even a decent dream in sight. But hold up, because today, I'm dropping 7 secret strategies that won't just save your wallet, they'll turn you into a total boss in expensive US college life. These are the hacks 99% of students don't know about, and the ones who do, they quietly stack cash while everyone else stresses. The first strategy will have you grabbing your phone like, whoa, why didn't I think of that? The second will make you smirk. The third will hit you with, wait, it's that easy. And by the 7th, you'll have a full-on game plan saving you hundreds of dollars every month. Ready? Grab your phone, open notes, pop in your headphones, and let's roll. Here we go, starting with strategy 1. And trust me, this one's about to change everything. Use budgeting apps. Hey, listen up, dude. First strategy, and trust me, this is gonna be the biggest game changer for your financial life, especially when you're on that expensive college grind where every dollar feels like gold. Picture this, it's 2 a.m., your bank balance is racing towards zero, and you're wondering how that $4 coffee somehow turned into a $47 monthly bill. Or that pack of ramen that's become your dinner, but really, your spending is eating you alive. The thing that can save you control, and you get that from budgeting apps, which in 2025 are smarter than ever and tailored for college students like you. Now you're probably thinking, dude, budgeting, that sounds boring and old school. But hold up, it's not boring at all. It's your wallet's superhero, tracking every expense, sending alerts, and ultimately saving you $50 to $150 a month without making you ditch your favorite coffee or parties. These apps use AI to break down your spending into categories, like ramen fund or finals cram coffee budget, and show you where to cut, like those forgotten subscriptions you're not even using. Top apps. Inab, give every dollar a job, free for 1 year for students, live workshops on handling loans and emergency funds. Pocket Guard, how did subscriptions sneak out $67? Shows, fun money left after bills, simple pie charts make college life easy. How to get started. Grab your phone, download Inab, link your bank level security, and in 30 seconds see Spotify $42 monthly, and used for 3 months. Apps auto-update, notifications like, coffee budget done, wait till tomorrow. Your phone is now your financial advisor. Secret, create a monthly, student fund, pay rent and food first, then the rest is, fun money, like for outings or AirPods. The app's reports will show how much you're saving, $50 to $150 in the first month, fewer loans, more parties. Do it now, download Wenab. Make a budget in 5 minutes, own your money. Next strategy, student discounts, $100 to $300 monthly. Ready? Yo, bro. First strategy locked in your budget, now the second one that'll make you go, whoa. Every time you swipe, $5 coffee $3, 20% off AirPods, $100 to $300 saved monthly, without skipping a thing. Inflation hitting in 2026. Companies treat students like heroes, just flash your student ID or .edu email and boom, discount applied. How to unlock it. Download Unadays Student Beans or Sheer ID, verify with your .edu email, instant 10 to 50% off everywhere. The apps ping you, yo, 15% off here. Your ID, now a VIP pass. Pro hack, check Unadays before every purchase, track savings in Inab, $100 to $300 saved monthly, pay down loans, cop those AirPods. Do it now. Download Unadays. Sign up with your .edu, snag 15% off today. Being a student is power, use it starting today. Next strategy, meal prep your way to savings. Yo, bro. First 2 strategies got your budget and discounts on lock. Now the third that'll break the ramen prison, and save you around $100 to $200 a month. $3 per serving for burger bowls, stir fry, salads, versus $15 takeout. Food prices wild in 2026. Meal prepping is your superhero. Saves time, health, and cash. I can't cook. Use Mailime or Prepier apps for a $20 weekly grocery list, done in 30 to 45 minutes. Breakfast, overnight oats, mix at night, eat in the morning, $5 for 5 meals. Lunch, chicken quinoa salad or bean burrito bowls, about $10 to $15 for 5 to 6 servings. Dinner, sheet pan chicken and veggies, or lentil curry, roughly $8 to $12 for 4 to 5 meals. Snacks, homemade trail mix or yogurt parfaits, $5 for 10 portion. Dorm life, go no cook, chickpea salad, PB&J upgrade. Bulk buy with roommates, split the cost, win the game. Pro hack, Sunday 1 to 2 hour prep session, use leftovers, hit up sale. 100 saved weekly, 0 food waste, finals week energy, no starving. Do it now, download Mailime, build your list today, prep starts tomorrow. Ditch the noodles, become the meal prep king. Next strategy, buy used or rent textbook. Yo, bro. First 3 strategies crushed your budget, discounts, and food. Now the 4th that'll destroy your semester's biggest enemy, textbooks, and save $100 to $300 monthly. Picture this, brand new book $200, but used for $50 or rented at $30 per month, and during finals, you'll be like, why didn't I do this sooner? In 2026, when textbook prices are sky high, used or rented options are your course material superhero. No need for new editions, highlight away, and sell it back at semester's end. You're probably thinking, bro, where do I even find these? Super easy, confirm with your prof that an older edition works, then search by ISBN. Rent equals 40 to 80% cheaper, used equals 50 to 70% off, digital, $10 to $40 per month. Always check return policy. Pro hack, before the semester starts, search on Slugbooks or Campusbook. Pick used or rented, sell back at the end, $200 to $500 saved per semester. Less loans, lighter wallet. Do it now, open Chegg or Amazon, search by ISBN, save $100 today. Remember, textbooks aren't a burden, they're a savings opportunity. Become the used book king. Next strategy, part-time gigs that pay you in your sleep, $200 to $500 per month. Ready? Yo, bro. Now the 5th strategy, $200 to $500 per month without skipping class. New textbook $200. One shift and you're covered. Gig economy in 2026. You're a superhero, campus jobs, online gigs, freelancing. It's easy, check Handshake, Indeed, or your campus job board. Campus, library, cafe, tutoring, $15 to $20 per hour. Gigs, DoorDash, Uber Eats, TaskRabbit, $20 to $30 per hour. Freelance, Upwork, Fiverr, writing, design, you can earn about $10 to $50 per task. Pro tip, work around 10 to 15 hours a week. Fit it around your class schedule, use your skills. $300 plus earned monthly, loans down, ramen goodbye. Do it now, open Handshake, apply to 1 gig, make $50 today. Jobs aren't a burden, they're a money machine. Become the gig king. Now the 6th strategy. Ditch the car, save big on transport. Yo, bro. Now the 6th strategy saves you $100 to $300 per month while making you fit, fast, and free. Car equals $150 gas plus $80 parking plus $50 insurance equals $280 per month just to get to campus. Nah. Grab a public transit pass for $30 per month, bike for free, or walk 20 minutes, hit class on time, no traffic stress. In 2026, when gas, traffic, and parking are insane, your superhero is bus, metro, bike, e-scooter, or just walking. Super easy. Get a student bus or metro pass from your university. It's usually $20 to $40 a month, and sometimes free with tuition. For a bike, you can rent one for about $10 a month, buy a used one for $50, or just use the campus bike share. Apps like Transit, Citymapper, or Google Maps to plan routes. For backup, use Lime or Uber scooters, or your university's free shuttles. Just check the timetable. Pro hacks, here's how. Take the bus or bike 3 days a week, walk 2 days, and on weekends, use car-share apps like Zipcar or Turo. You'll save around $150 to $250 every month. Lower loans, fitter body, clearer mind, planet saved. Do it now, buy your bus pass, dust off your bike, or start walking today. Save $5 today, $10 tomorrow. Transport isn't a cost, it's freedom, fitness, savings. Become the king of the road. Yo, bro. Now the 7th and final strategy. Tap into free campus events and resources. Saves $50 to $150 per month while boosting your parties, food, fitness, and career. Picture this, 2 a.m. cramming notes, but tomorrow there's free movie night, concert, or trivia with free popcorn plus dinner, wallet stays closed. In 2026, when life's expensive, campus freebies are your secret treasure. Library, gym, tutoring, club meetings, all 100% free, keeping you healthy, networked, and happy. Super easy. Check your university website, socials, newsletters, or bulletin board. Join student orgs, ask classmates. Hit up free food events, club meetings, guest talks, use the gym membership, library study rooms, or health center. Career Center, free resume workshops, job fairs, mock interviews, zero cost. Pro Hack, here's how. Attend 2 to 3 events per week. Join clubs, free food plus networking. Rent board games or projectors from the library. $100 plus saved monthly. Make friends, learn skills, cut loans, without ever being bored. Do it now. Open your campus event calendar, book one free event today, save $10 tomorrow. Campus isn't a cost, it's freedom plus fun. Become the king of campus events. These were your 7 strategies. Now execute. Stack that wallet and live college.